Hey everyone, welcome to the S-Way. This video is going to be another get ready with me video. Since weddings are at its peak, I'm super excited about it because some of my friends are getting married. I'm like having tons of ideas in my mind how to style some of the looks for this wedding season. And today I'll show you one of the looks which I have decided to sport in one of the weddings. And as I've always said, my go-to outfit for weddings has to be Assamese house saree, that is Mekhela Sador. And the outfit which I've chosen for this video is this gorgeous Assam silk. It's in silver color and just look at the border, it's so gorgeous. So I'll be getting ready into this, and yes, I will also share with you the full face make to go with this outfit. So guys, let's get started.
Here are Lakme Skin Gloss in left and foundation in right. First, applying the skin gloss keeps your skin hydrated, plus when foundation is applied over it, a fine glossy finish results. I am applying foundation in dots all over my face and neck and then blending everything well. Now I am using a Maybelline Duo Powder Palette which has contouring and concealing cum highlighting powder in it. First I am mixing all of the powder to set my foundation. Moving on to concealer and then blending it well. Back to my Duo Powder Palette, using the concealing cum highlighting powder to set the concealer I just applied. Now I'm using the contouring shade from the palette to contour my cheekbones to outline my face and nose as shown. I'm applying concealer on my eyelids to give it a neutral shade, thereby preparing it for the eyeshadow. I'm applying the purple shade on the crease of my eye, starting from outer corner and blending it inwards. Moving on to a shimmering purple shade for the rest of my eye. I'm using a golden shade on the inner corner of my eyes. Using the same shimmering purple eyeshadow, I'm outlining my lower eyelash. Now I'm highlighting my eye bone. Coming to eyeliner, I will start with a thicker line from the outer corner and then thinning it gradually towards the inner corner of my eyes. This gives a cat's eye look, that is, it's like your eyes are aligned at an angle like those of goddesses. This is my very favorite eyeliner pattern and my everyday eye look. Now applying kajal till midway starting from outer corner, and then you can smudge it with your finger or a brush. Well, here I am using a brush. This further enhances the cat's eye look. Let's apply mascara now. Now I am filling my eyebrows. Now it's time for a little blush. I am applying an illuminating highlighter as shown. This is a Lakme lipstick which completely matches the pink shade on my outfit. Now it's time for a makeup setting spray. Well girls, this is a very important step as the spray melts down all your makeup and blends it well, giving a skin-like finish in the end. I'm moving on to the outfit. First, get into the skirt which is called Mekhela. Then, take 3 crisp folds of your Mekhela and turn them to your right. And then, tug it in all around. Now, Take the half sari, that is sador, and drape it around as shown. Give a zigzag pattern as shown to the front end of the sador and tug it in. Then you're good to go. As you can see, I have folded the pallu with two middle plaits a little loosen out. It's because I really felt that it looks a little stylish that way. Also, I'm not a fan of blouses which comes along with the outfits, so I always go for differently styled blouse which matches my outfit, and yeah, I love it that way. I am accessorizing my outfit with this gorgeous neck piece which completely goes with my dress. Okay guys, this was all about it. If you enjoyed, do give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon down there so that you stay notified of my upcoming videos. Love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.